Install a mailbox post. Installing a mailbox post is quite easy if you know what to do. You can install your own mailbox post if you want to replace a mailbox or if you have moved to a new home. You can purchase the mailbox and mounting post that you like. You do not need to hire a handyman as this job is fairly easy. Here are the steps on how to install a mailbox post. Materials. First, you have to make sure that you have all the materials that you will need to install your mailbox post. Purchase the mailbox of your choice. You can use a wall mount mailbox or a wall mailbox, a copper mailbox or a mailbox with a unique design. Some of the other items you will need for the installation are concrete, shovel, and a spirit level. Planning. Before installing your mailbox post, you need to have plans. Also, make sure that you are abiding by the regulations in your area. Before digging a hole in the ground, be sure that you will not be hitting telephone lines, electricity lines, and water pipes when you install the mailbox post. Installation. The first thing you have to do is to dig a hole in the ground where you want to place your mailbox post. Dig a hole deep enough to be able to support the design and size of your mailbox. Next, you will have to mix cement. Once you already have your cement, you can mount the post of your mailbox to the hole that you dug. Pour in cement only halfway to the top of the hole. You can ask the help of another person while you use the level to check if the pole is straight. Wait for the cement to dry. Finishing. Once the cement is dry, you can cover the remaining area in the hole with dirt and grass. Make sure that you pack the dirt in the hole so that the mount of the mailbox will stand securely. You can now mount the mailbox on top of the mount. You may need some screws or a hammer and nails to be able to mount the mailbox on the post. This depends on what type of mailbox you are installing. Mailbox. You can choose to have a locking mailbox or a mailbox cover so that other people will not be able to tamper with your mail. Also, remember to install the mailbox at the correct height so that it will be easier for the mailman to deposit your mail and also for you to collect. You will usually have instructions that come with the mailbox. These are the steps in how you can install your own mailbox post. The steps may vary depending on the type of mailbox that you are trying to install, but these steps are applicable to most standing mailbox posts. You may also create your own mailbox post to make it appear different from all the other mailboxes in your neighborhood.